Hello and welcome to my channel. This is the first video dedicated to project Lombok. In the previous video you have learned how to use the annotation toString and the annotation equals and hashcode to generate the relative methods. In this video you are going to learn how to use the exclude property and a new annotation called data. Follow my steps. Let's imagine that you want to exclude from the toString equals and hashcode methods the field minutes. To do that, you can use the property exclude. Inside the annotation toString, type exclude equals minutes. Then do the same inside the annotation equals and hashcode. Before running the test, go inside the movie.class. Here you can see that you have the field minutes inside the toString methods. Now go inside movietest.java and run all the tests. Good. Now open again the updated movie.class. Now is not present the minutes field inside the toString equals and also hashcode method. Instead of having all those annotations on the top of the movie Java bin, you can use just the annotation data from Project Lombok. With this annotation, Project Lombok will generate for you all the getter and setter methods, but also the methods toString equals and hashcode. In the same way, go inside the movie test class and run all the tests. Good. Now open the movie.class and inside you should see all the methods getter and setter for each field, plus the method toString equals and hashcode generated by Project Lombok just using the data annotation. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel to be always updated about new videos that I will upload, and see you in the next one. Bye.